Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue and begin a new lesson that is of Unit 2, Class 5, Lesson number 4, Teamwork. But before that, today I am going to share a story with you all. So this story is about two animals who were very good friends, and one was the monkey and the other one was the elephant. So the monkey and the elephant were very good friends, and they lived with each other, and they helped each other in every work. But one day they both fall into an argument. दोनों के बीच में एक बहस हो गई about who was better between both of them. So the elephant suggested and advocated that he was or it was better because he was strong, and whereas the monkey was stubborn on his own ideas, and he said that he was better because he was very quick, very fast, very agile. So they were unable to come to a conclusion about who was better. So in order to come to a conclusion, एक proper decision पे आने के लिए, they both went to an owl, and the owl was considered very wise in that area, in that jungle. So now they discussed their matter with the owl, and the owl promised that he would answer the question that was being asked by both the animals, but he wanted both the animals to take a challenge for that, and they both agreed. So the owl said that there was a tall tree and a golden fruit were hung on that particular tree, and the owl said it was so tall tree and such a huge tree, and he wanted to get the fruit from that tree. So he said that he would answer only if he could get that fruit from the tree. So monkey and elephant both began to get that particular fruit for the owl. So when the monkey reached the banks of the river, he realized that the river was very deep for him, and the flow of the currents were very strong. So the elephant saw monkey, his friend, and asked him to climb on his back so that they both could cross the river. So the elephant helped monkey in crossing the river. Now when they reached the tree, the elephant, which was considered strong enough, whom he considered strong himself, tried to break down the tree, but the tree was very huge, and it wouldn't budge, it wouldn't fall down. So the monkey here climbed the tree, and he plucked that particular fruit, and he sat on elephant's back, and he went to the wise owl, right? So the owl, after they reached to the wise owl, the owl asked both of them that who brought that particular fruit to him. So the monkey instantly said that he did so, because he was the one who plucked the fruit, and he brought to the owl. But the elephant at this instant argued that he was the one who helped the monkey to reach the other side of the river. So the wise owl at this point interrupted in their argument and said that each one of you have your abilities and strengths. So if one is superior to other in one case, the other one is superior in other case. So if one is not superior than the other, then that doesn't mean that they are not effective. So if both collaborate their abilities, then collectively they make a team, and they can even achieve the impossible thing. See, the elephant couldn't get the fruit all by himself, the monkey couldn't get the fruit all by himself. So with their combined effort, with their combined abilities, with their combined talents, they were able to use those talents at the right time and did the right thing. So in this way, this is a message for all of us that there is so much importance of teamwork in our lives. So even while playing, when we get games period or when we get to play, so we do not like to play all alone, right? We love to play with others, we love to play in teams. For any famous game or any sports we play, we need team members for that. Take any kind of game like hop or basketball or hockey or relay race. So for any of these kind of games, we need to have team members, right? So this poem is also based on this particular title, teamwork. So let's sing and dance first of all. Basically, let's sing this poem. So I'm going to recite this poem first, and then you can follow up my rhythm, and you may also sing after me. Okay? So teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what. Okay, my bad, I repeat it again. Then we'll share the joy of what we've done. Teamwork, everyone. I repeat this particular stanza first. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can. We have to stop for a moment over here. Make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we've done. Teamwork, everyone. Isn't that nice? Okay, let's continue. It's fun to shoot the basketball. You have to stop over here, basketball. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Or you can pick the entire line, like it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. But it's better to speak over here first of all, and then the rest part in the same case, passes and then shoots. I'll repeat it again. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on. Now here also you can break it half. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Alright, let me repeat this stanza in a rhythm all together, or let us begin with the beginning right now. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we've done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. So in this way you can also sing it and enjoy it while singing. So now let's go through the explanation part. Okay. So teamwork. Here the poet is trying to throw importance on the teamwork and how a single person can not do a thing that together they can achieve. Together they can make their dream work. Whatever their dreams have, if they are not able to achieve their dreams all alone, then they can actually do that by making a teamwork. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. So in this way they are going to enjoy whatever they have done, because teamwork makes impossible possible. Teamwork, everyone. And it is not just by the efforts of one member in a team, it is the combined effort of everyone in that particular team. Okay, a company cannot be run by one single member. The CEO cannot run that particular company. It is all the combined efforts of managers, the executives, the staff, and the board of members, everyone. Their combined efforts make a company run successfully. Okay, so next is, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. If we are all alone and we throw the basketball into the loop, we never enjoy that much, because there is no partner, there is no one to look around, there is no one to appreciate, there is no one to create thunder for us, there is no one to shout for us. So because and moreover, when we are playing basketball, if we run all alone, then we do not have anyone to throw our ball to pass our ball. So if nobody passes, then nobody shouts, then nobody shoots. So we can only shoot the basketball through the hoop, through that circular ring. Hoop means a circular iron ring or wooden ring that is fixed to the basketball poles. Alright, courtyard pole. So if nobody passes the ball, passes what? The basketball, then nobody shoots, then nobody would shoot it. And in the same case, the relay race, it cannot be made possible if baton is not passed. If four different groups are running all together in a relay race and one group fails to pass the baton, one particular member of that particular group throws or drops, not throws, basically drops that baton on his way to reach the next partner, the race cannot continue. Okay, and he cannot all alone run all the four corners of that particular race, so he has to pass it to another partner. So in this way it all is possible because of teamwork. So we are the parts that make up the whole. Whole means a complete part, and we are the parts. We together with our united efforts, with our little efforts, it becomes a united effort and it becomes a whole complete part, right? And we have got our eyes on a common goal. So if one is having a separate goal, if suppose in a basketball match, one member is having an aim to shoot the basketball hoop maximum times, whereas the other is having an aim to only have his revenge from the other team, so that doesn't make them achieve their team. So they all need to have their common goal. Everyone needs to have a common goal in a particular team. That is for the welfare of everyone, not just for particular person or particular team member. So sometimes it can be a big plus. Sometimes, see, it is not possible that every time teamwork matters, but sometimes it can be a big plus. Why every time teamwork does not come as a fruitful matter? Because sometimes even after the teamwork, some efforts are lacking. So there are possible reasons behind that, but sometimes it can be a big plus. It leads to a positive goal. And when a you means a single person like you or a me, when instead of thinking about only us, if I would think about myself and you would think about yourself, then definitely teamwork will not be there. So if we think about ourselves, then definitely we can achieve our team. So it's a very beautiful poem, and it gives us a very beautiful message that teamwork is very important in our life, and without teamwork we cannot achieve anything. So teamwork should be there in every combined goal we have, if we have, or a common goal if we have, right? So with this we have completed the explanation part, and here are the meanings of this poem, that meaning of the words that are mentioned in the poem, and the exercise part will continue in the next video. So with this, thank you very much, and thanks for watching, and keep liking and sharing my video, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you.